No, he has the hiccups. You okay, Rig Bear? Aww. I've never seen a dog have the hiccups before.
Rigby!
That scared the hiccups out of him.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Good boy.